How to create a folder for apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Over here, long press on any empty area of the home screen until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. Now, tap and hold the app you want to move and drag it on top of another app. As you can see, both the apps are now grouped into a folder on your home screen. You can add more apps to this folder in the same way. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Open the folder to view the apps. If you want to change the folder name, then long press on the screen again. And then, open the folder to change the name as shown. After that, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily create a folder for apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.